Step into a healthier you. Today, we're strolling through the incredible transformations that can occur in your body when you make walking a daily habit. Get ready to explore the 17 amazing things that might happen to your body if you walk every day. Number 1. Experience improved cardiovascular health. Walking regularly strengthens the heart, lowers blood pressure, and enhances overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 2. Breathe easier. Regular walking increases lung capacity, promoting better oxygen intake and respiratory function. Number 3. Manage your weight. Walking is a great way to burn calories, aiding in weight management and supporting a healthy body composition. Number 4. Boost your energy. A brisk walk can stimulate the release of endorphins, providing a natural energy boost and reducing feelings of fatigue. Number 5. Uplift your mood. Walking triggers the release of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, contributing to a more positive and uplifted mood. Number 6. Sharpen mental clarity. Walking has been shown to improve cognitive function, enhancing focus, creativity, and overall mental clarity. Number 7. Enjoy better sleep. Regular physical activity such as walking can promote deeper and more restful sleep, contributing to overall well-being. Number 8. Support joint health. Walking is a low-impact exercise that helps lubricate joints and maintain joint flexibility, reducing the risk of stiffness. Number 9. Aid digestion. Walking after meals can help stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and promote a healthy digestive system. Number 10. Fortify your immune system. Regular walking has been linked to a strengthened immune system, helping your body defend against illnesses. Number 11. Tone those muscles. Walking engages various muscle groups, helping to tone and strengthen the muscles in your legs, buttocks, and core. Number 12. Fortify your bones. Weight-bearing activities like walking contribute to increased bone density, supporting overall bone health. Number 13. Alleviate stress. Walking outdoors in nature can have a calming effect, reducing stress levels and promoting mental well-being. Number 14. Lower your risk. Regular walking is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Number 15. Spark creativity. Taking a walk, especially in nature, has been shown to boost creativity and problem-solving skills. Number 16. Embrace a longer life. Studies suggest that regular walking is linked to increased longevity, allowing you to enjoy more years of a healthy and active life. Number 17. Embrace overall well-being. The cumulative benefits of daily walking contribute to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle, enhancing your overall well-being. So there you have it. 17 incredible things that might happen to your body when you make walking a part of your daily routine. Whether it's for physical health, mental well-being, or the simple joy of putting one foot in front of the other, walking can be a powerful tool in your journey to a healthier and happier you. If you found this information inspiring, share it with others, and let's stride towards a more vibrant life together. Stay active, stay energized,